Exercise number 73. Dear Sas, we are pleased to tell you that we are the makers of the famous double strength brakes. Full stop. These brakes are believed by all who use them to be the most reliable and the safest of all the makes at present on the market. Full stop. During the month of April, we delivered them by the gross to dealers in all the principal cities. Full stop. If you would care to taste the brakes, please call at our showrooms to permit a member of our sales staff to tell you all about them. Full stop. We are certain that you will be both surprised and pleased if you give them a trial. Yours truly, comma.